So I'm just going to draw the edges of the shadows, so to speak. And this will kind of keep you out of trouble. This is called the epicondyle. You don't need to know that, but that's the epicondyle. And right above it is this darker area. It's a depression where the two muscles meet. And that's a depression area. That's a little darker. This is a shadow. Comes down. And then this dark area right here comes back about halfway. Then it's going to go soft edge in his spine, right down the spine. And I have to remember, this is the water line. Right here, we're going to have a dark area right there. And that's really important to do. And then we're going to have a little bit of a light area. And I don't want to draw every little shape, because really we can draw that with the brush if you're kind of confident with your brush. And you may not be, and that's okay. But we're going to practice this stuff. So I'm going to get a little sense of some of these areas. They change color. You have to be very careful. There's subtle color changes in here. So this isn't the best print in the world. I do have to be a little bit careful I get this right. So his rib cage is down here. We're not seeing individual ribs just yet. Right here, there's a highlight. So I'll put that on his shoulder. Just a little tiny circle. He's got some darks on his head here. His head, I'm jumping around a little bit. His head is light here. Because he's a black man, he has dark hair. So we're going to kind of go in and describe the shape of that shadow. Something like this. So if we get that skull shape correct, we'll be all right. And the skull shape is defined by light hitting it here and shadows here. So this is the light area. And I'm very careful. Where is the shadow in relation to his ear? And his hair stops here. So this is hair, that's skin. And so they're both a darker tone. So we're going to have to be careful that we define those well. There's a highlight on the ear there. Come in. And there's a shadow here.